Good morning, Vipin.
Good morning, Gopi. Yes, share your screen and open that paint last time we discussed.
Meeting started.
Log into Azure. So last time we see a Kubernetes service, right?
Yeah.
What the Kubernetes service does, it run your Docker container in a high availability mode.
Yeah.
Now we are going to use same cluster service in Microsoft Azure. Oh, hello?
Oh. 150. This is the one, right? Vipin, this is the
Big
one, right?
Kubernetes service. All right. So just click add.
Tester.
Yes. Look at how simple it is, right?
Yeah.
Do not have to run a command and all and all.
I can select any resource group, right?
Yeah, yeah. Any resource group. Give a name, cluster name, maybe TPCS class.
And all fine.
Yeah. Now in availability zone, just remove and just keep 1. Yeah. Now it said that it's a recommended that you should create a 3-node cluster, right?
Yeah.
1 master.
Two worker.
But I say that no, I'm only doing lab.
Okay.
Do not charge me for 3 server.
Okay.
Just remove it to
Mhm.
1. In a node count below, just remove it to 1. Right. Now click next. Now it is going to ask you, I am going to create an agent pool for you.
Yeah.
And this agent, you have only 1 node. If you want, and what is the node size? Look at the node size. DSV2. DSV2 means it is going to give you 8 GB RAM. It's the most highest one.
Okay.
Okay. But anyhow, let's modify it and make it 2. So I need 2 worker. So 1 Kubernetes server plus node itself, and second node as a separate. So just click agent pool. Increase the node size to 2. Good. Click update.
Maximum pods 110 default.
Yeah. Now just select next. Everything is as usual. Nothing we have to change. Just say next. In a networking, select Azure CNI. Means I am going to use Azure network.
Okay.
Okay. Scroll down. Scroll down. Now say enable HTTP application routing, so that if you use web server,
Okay.
your writing can be used. Now just say next. Integration. Everything all done. Now just say review and create. Look at that. No command you need to run, right?
Yeah. Click.
So now at least you prepare much on better on Azure. You know Ansible on Azure, right? You also know now Docker on Azure.
Yeah.
You also know now Kubernetes on Azure. So at least 3 services you can go and tell to the customer. But don't say you are working.
Okay.
You only say that you have a knowledge.
Okay.
Because in your company, people use that, so you know that. But you do not get a chance to work on it.
Okay. Okay. So click create, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Anyway, so by your guidance and just follow what you say in the, because all the 3 interviews, last 3 interviews I attended in, one is video call, and the 2 are only on phones.
Yeah.
So, I don't know whether they are asking a lot of questions and I'm not getting back any calls after that. Inside SQL only.
Yeah, SQL also. Do not, because the moment you start declaring you know all in a technical field, there is
Yeah.
no end of the question.
Yeah. So I thought I will crack the last interview, but unfortunately I did not get a call. I don't know where I missed it. So at least to hope I'll change my Azure by your blessing.
Today only we post a vacancy for Azure Solution Architect. I'm not sure you get or not.
Which one? Where?
Azure Solution Architect. You get a message
Where? In the email?
in a WhatsApp group.
No, actually, in the group, I don't get any message.
Okay. So it was, they are looking for only 6 and 7 years of experience.
Okay.
And they just contacted us. So we post into
Mm-hmm.
the WhatsApp group all the guys who done the Azure with us.
Okay. Yeah, I can try that interview. Which company?
It is a Bangalore based company.
Oh, Bangalore based. Okay. So then growth will be very good.
Hmm.
As you said, I should not go to the IBM and all. Next.
Don't go,
Yeah.
because this guy only
Yeah.
spoil the career end of the day.
I will ask you, for example, if I clear the interview, I'll ask you whether I should go or not. So what you tell, I will follow.
Yeah.
One problem is I have a lot of experience, unwanted experience, not in IT. Wasted my time in Capgemini. Simply, I'm just repenting now.
Yeah.
Why I wasted so much time in Capgemini? 10.5 years I worked in the same company. So I could have done some course there only. I done only that management type of course.
Yeah, because they give such type of job only, right?
Yeah, I have done the FLM course there, but that is not useful at all now.
Yeah, yeah.
At least I could have learned some, say, technology like advanced SQL or whatever.
Hmm.
Now I'm struggling.
And the problem that this company also not give up financial growth.
That is the main problem. 4 years I'm not getting any increment.
Yeah, yeah.
You
That
believe it or not?
because they make a global policy.
Yeah,
3% to all employee. What the hell? Yeah, 3% to all employee. No increment to all employee. No increment.
yeah,
So they treat just as a business object. They do not treat as a value.
correct. No, at least 2% increment per year. At least I could have satisfied. But no
Yeah,
increment
yeah,
at all. 0%.
yeah, yeah,
And even no bonus, nothing.
yeah,
Nothing is
yeah,
no financial increments.
yeah.
Same salary. So I was very much fed up actually.
What will happen even people who is more junior to you may get a greater salary than you after some time.
Yeah, yeah, really. It happened in my previous company only because I was working in a technical publication department. That time people moved to technical side.
Hmm.
So they were getting double salary.
Yeah, yeah, they are getting that.
Yeah. I am now in a basic BPO salary now. In even I'm in technical side.
Hmm.
So I'm in the package of BPO package only still.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
That's what the people are like. I'm not able to selecting also.
And what happen after 10, 15 years now, people generally will think that you are quite old, right?
Yeah,
So
yeah,
they also not, sometimes they also not find you fit for the organization.
yeah,
Because when you are young, when you are unmarried, right?
yeah, yeah.
You
Correct.
can do anything. You can work 24 hours. You can go here. You can go there.
Yeah.
But this is also a challenge. Okay. Go to resource now. And look at that. It give you all the options. So how many node you have configured? Two
Where is that? We
on
give
left hand side.
yeah, we given two, right? Yeah.
Yeah. Scroll down. See your node pool. Correct. You have a two node.
Yeah.
So where is this two node? Go to search box. Type a scale set.
Here,
No, on Azure.
LC.
Hmm.
This one.
Yeah. Click this skill set.
This is the one.
Yeah.
Oh, now number of virtual machines, it go inside
Yeah,
this.
click instance. On left hand side, you have an instance.
Oh,
Correct.
okay.
So what Microsoft now play a tricks? They say that service is free.
So they're charging per VM.
Yeah, correct, huh? And they are charging high for the VM, right? So many times customer became fool, right? They say that hey, it's a free, it's a free, it's a free. So they create 10 node.
Yeah.
The moment he create 10 node, 1 lakh or 2 lakh bill is coming next month. Correct? Yeah. Go back to your again Kubernetes service. Search Kubernetes service. Click Kubernetes. Yeah. Now get a connect option. Look at that. What it says. It say that first you have to open a cloud shell.
Okay.
So click open cloud shell. It will open in a new console.
Okay.
Same cloud shell where you learn Ansible
Oh,
because they also install Docker and Kubernetes in the same cloud shell.
okay. So basically, Azure is sorry, Ansible is used only for automation, right?
Only for automation.
This is only used for high availability.
Yes.
So create storage.
Yeah.
So this automatically calculates how much storage is required and
Yes.
very smart tool, I think.
They also charging you the storage charge.
Yeah, yeah.
So that is the reason why many customers creeping after signing up approach. Because salespeople, when they do a PowerPoint, they say that, sir, in Azure, Kubernetes is free, Docker is free, Ansible is free. So customers say that, yes, I will not create a virtual machine. It's all free. But actually, it create everything in the background. Okay, go back to your first portal. Now copy the command, which is AJ cloud set. Second, yeah, copy this command. You have a copy button and paste there. Hit enter. Copy the second command and paste here.
All the command they only given.
Yeah. Now open the notepad which we have created yesterday.
Yeah.
Where we have noted all command.
Yeah.
Yeah. Click the first command which is called kubectl get node. Hit enter. So how many node you will say? 2.
2 nodes. So one files, one will be up.
Yes. Right. Now let's pull Tutum Hello World here.
Yeah.
Kubectl create deployment. Third command. Yeah. Good. Now go back and just type kubectl get pods.
Here. Correct?
Yeah. Correct. Only one pod.
Okay.
Yeah. If you want to scale, then go and run the scale command.
Scale command. Okay.
The scale deployment. Yes. Yeah. Check get port again. Correct.
Yeah.
Now you have to expose the service. So go and expose the service. Click click expose. Yeah. Just yeah.
So we are creating number of ports, right? Ports.
Yeah, yeah. Correct. Say kubectl get services. Yes. So you get IP address now.
Yeah.
Copy this IP address.
Sorry.
No. External IP. External IP. External IP. 52.188.
Yeah.
Go and paste in a browser. Yeah, hit enter.
You have to give the port.
Yeah, you get that now.
Yeah.
So your same Tutum world is running, right?
Yeah.
Now go and scale the server. Go to the first folder. Select agent pool, node pool from left hand side below.
This one.
Yeah. Select your agent pool and you have a scale option on top. A scale to 3 node now.
Okay.
Look at that, how easy it is now, right?
Yeah.
Click apply. So it is going to add another server in your Kubernetes cluster.
Yeah.
No command you have to run, right?
Right. In Kubernetes, we have a Kubernetes services.
Yeah.
So now we are not using Docker. Simply we are creating pod.
No, but in a background you have a Docker. Go to your command prompt and type Docker space PS.
Here.
Yeah. Docker PS enter. So background it is using Docker only, right? Kubernetes
Okay.
is just a manager, right? You have to run the Docker on a server, but you need to connect the server then. You have a two server, right?
Kubernetes.
Yeah.
Web server or Kubernetes.
So go back and check whether you have been updated or not. You have added one server, right? It's done. Go to the scale set first and check.
Yeah.
A scale set search box.
Okay.
Virtual machine scale set. Click that one. Click instances. Click refresh. No, it's not added. Can you click that where it is written number 3? On top, you have a number 3. 3 notification is coming to you.
Yeah.
On top, or yeah. No. Where we have a cloud shell, na? Yes.
Yeah.
It's a fail. Oh, it said that you have only two. You can only create 2 server with DS3 virtual machine in a free trial,
No.
right? You are
Okay.
actually crossing your limit. Your current limit is 4. So if you are running in a production, how will you increase the limit? Go to subscription. Click free trial. Click free trial. Below your free trial. Let's scroll down. Scroll down. You have a quota, usage and quota. Now you have to raise a ticket to Microsoft, but it will only work in a paid attendant, not in a free trial.
Okay.
That please increase my quota to 10 server or 15 server or 100 server. Microsoft will be more happy to help you. Why?
Money is flowing.
Right? So you can say request in quota increase. You have an option to request quota increase.
So how I'm amazing how you bring all these steps.
Hmm.
Really is great actually.
Yeah,
So where to go, what to click.
that is only we have to know, right?
Yeah.
It's more easy, but only thing is that you have to remember. How will you remember when you do a practice?
Yeah, correct.
Right? And this is not, since we are teaching, that's why we remember the step. If we stop teaching for 2 months now, we forget everything.
Correct. And by the way, you have learned yourself or somebody will be there for you, guru?
No, in my previous job, I actually manage all these services.
Okay.
So I was managing almost 100 plus technical team, which includes pre-sales and all.
Okay.
I never do it by myself.
Okay.
Since team is
You
doing, yeah, during the team huddle, I come to know
mhm.
this is a solution. So someone technical team will speak there, right?
Okay.
I only listen and then I start understanding all this one by one,
Okay.
right? And then second, being a Microsoft partner,
Mhm.
Microsoft always, whenever they launch any new service,
Mhm.
they give a training to partner first.
Oh,
Okay, so they do a airlift. So their training either happen on Singapore or
okay.
happen on Washington.
Uh-huh. So anybody can be a partner?
No, you have to become a formality. So, for example, if you want to a gold partner,
Mhm.
your organization must have a revenue more than 100 crore.
Okay.
Then you should have at least 8 people who is certified on Microsoft a specific platform.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, look at that. What is saying? Your
Hmm.
free trial subscription is not eligible for below.
What I increase? Requested what I increase first upgrade.
First, you have to go pay as you go.
Yes.
Right? Since my tenant is a pay as you go, so that's why we able to create 10 servers. But I hope you understand the whole picture now, right? So it means that you can use Azure to run Ansible, you can use Azure to run Docker, you can use Azure to run your Kubernetes.
Yeah.
So as a customer, if you decide to use the cloud
Mhm.
for your DevOps, then Azure say that I have all the options ready for you.
Yeah.
Correct? You do not have to go anywhere. So same that in AWS also it has the same service, right? Last time we seen,
Yeah.
right? So all the cloud provider nowadays they are encouraging customer that if you want to do a DevOps, then do not need to install or run anything on premises. Come and use cloud, right? In
Yeah.
a cloud, it's easy for you to maintain the services because you do not have to do installation.
Yeah.
right now.
Correct.
Yesterday, if you see the same Kubernetes service, you have to do installation, then you have to connect your agent. All this is a manual task,
Yeah.
right? And then still you have a chance that what will happen if the hardware itself get failed.
Yeah. And even this is a cluster, so we have to connect more nodes.
More nodes, right? You have a lot of troubles.
Yeah.
So in cloud, you just have a click and you're done.
Yeah.
Yes, of course, you have to pay the price for each click,
Correct.
correct? So now three dot, go to three dot,
Three
to
dot.
Microsoft Azure,
Yeah.
all resources.
Select all, delete.
Yeah, and say delete. Say yes. Now, can you open your syllabus?
So syllabus in PDF, right?
What is the configuration of your laptop?
Right?
What is the config of your laptop?
4 GB RAM and hard disk is around 500 GB something.
So
And
change your hard disk from magnetic to SSD.
yeah. That day you told, right? So I have to do.
Yes, it take another 2,500,
Yeah.
but it will speed up your laptop 4 times.
Yeah. You told it, but I don't have time to go there. That is the problem. So where I have to go now? Let's see. Question and answers. Where I saved it, I'll open.
I think it's in your WhatsApp.
Yeah, I did not save it, I think.
And talk Aditi to include you in the WhatsApp group
Yeah.
for job.
Yeah. Yeah, that will be like helpful for me to explore. Because if I give one interview, then I'll come to know what questions they're asking.
Yeah. Then only you prepared.
Yeah. So in SQL, I have done like that only. First interview after my course, I attended one good company, AXA. So first interview only gone. Like very basic question. I'm not able to answer that time. So after that, I sit and prepare. So I could.
Problem is that you do not have a time also when you practice.
Yeah, that is a problem. So where we are now?
There is no break also, right?
Yeah, no break. Only eating, sleeping, reading, working. Same routine. Even for family also no time.
Yeah. Yeah, scroll down. Scroll down. Now we are going to start Jenkins. So before Jenkins, let's set up your environment. Go to Google.
Jenkins is like a web server application, right?
No, it's a CI/CD tool.
CI/CD tool. Okay.
Just type Google and type here. I think VS Code is already installed that day, right?
Which one?
VS Code, Visual
Yeah,
Studio.
Visual Studio Code is there. Yes.
You have a .NET.
Yeah.
.NET. Can you open a command prompt and type .NET?
Yeah, I have installed everything. Enter.
Enter. Yes. Java.
Java also is there.
I think that day we install everything, right?
Yeah, Java, only type Java, right?
Yeah, just type Java. All right. So you have a .NET, you have a Java. Now Node.js. Just type npm.
Sorry, NP.
M.
M.
Enter. No. But can you go to download? I think Node.js also be installed, downloaded.
Node.js. How can I find it? Java.
Download. Go to download.
Download.
That day when we are installing every services, we have download .NET, we have download Java, right? Scroll down. Scroll down.
What? I think this is the one. 2021.
So
Chrome, Zoom, Azure Arc, ARC, SQL,
we have
SSL,
installed Git.
GitHub, VS Code.
Where is the VS Code? Acha, VS Code is there. Okay, then go to Google and type node.js. Hit enter. Click that. Yeah. Scroll down.
This is our last one.
No, scroll down. You have other download. Below is other download. In 14 point. Yeah. Scroll down. Scroll down. Now you have all previous releases. Fourth option.
Which one?
This one.
Which one?
Yeah. And select node.js 12. Click 64-bit MSI last fourth. Yeah, click that one.
Next.
Yeah. So Monday after interview, we are
Okay.
going to set up your environment and we are going to generate some artifact. Okay. Go next.
No need to check, right?
Just click that. Oh, no. Just a minute. Yeah, install.
Okay, this node.js is for Jenkins.
No. This is all our language. Java is a language. Node is a language.
Okay.
.NET is a language.
Mhm. We are using this language to get the services,
To develop an application.
develop
Node
an
is a very popular language.
Okay.
Now go to Google and type Maven. Type enter.
This one, Maven repository download.
Yeah, Maven download.
This one.
Yeah. No, go back. Select the second one. Yeah. Hold on. Click download. Yeah, click download. Maven is a build tool for Java. Okay, scroll down. Click that. Go up. Click that second one.
This one.
Second one. Binary zipper guy. Yeah. Extract it. Extract it here. Extract it here only.
Yeah. So Maven is used for there's also a language.
Creating an artifact.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. 1 minute, I'm coming. Done. Now on C drive, just create a folder called Maven. Yeah, and paste that whatever you extract from there to here.
Oh, okay.
I think it's in download folder, right?
Cut and paste, right?
Cut that. You have to close this readme.txt.
Yeah, read me. Oh, this one. Colon Maven. Oh,
Double click Maven. Go to bin. Double click it. Copy the path. Copy that. Go to C drive. Right click this PC. Right click this PC. Properties. Advanced system setting. Environment variable. Below. Yeah. Click path. In a system variable, you have a path. 5th option, 7th option, I think. Yes. Click edit. Yeah. Click new. Paste it. Slash. Give a slash in the last. Click OK. Now in a user variable, click new and type in a capital letter Maven _ home
oh,
and paste it here.
right.
Remove bin. Click OK. Be there. Go to C drive. Go to program file. Go to Java. Click JDK 1.8. Click bin. Copy this whole path. Go back to your environment variable. Say new.
Here, system.
On top. Say Java _ home in a capital. Paste it here. Remove bin. Click OK. Then again below, click path. Click edit. Click new. Paste it here. Give bin /. Okay. Close everything. Close. Close everything. Close the command prompt and open again. Close the command prompt. Yeah. Open command prompt. Yeah. Type first here Java C. Java C. Enter. It's running. Type MVM. Enter.
ABM.
NVM.
NVM. Yeah.
M for Meghalaya.
Okay.
V. N. MVN is Maven.
Maven. Okay.
Enter. It's running again. Now click NPM.
NPM.
Yeah. Hit enter. NPM is still not in. I think we have not installed the Node.js.
Yeah, we have installed.
It's not running. npm m
Oh, yum. Okay.
Node Package Manager. So your development environment is completely ready now. Okay. Now these are the tools which is used by the developers to develop an application.
Mhm.
Perfect. Which all tools? Java, .NET, Node. And to create an artifact, which tool we use? Maven.
Okay.
So we are going to use all these tools on Monday.
Okay.
हाँ ठीक है ठीक है
Yeah.
चलो see you on Monday.
Fine. Okay. Thank you so much.